Hello students, welcome to the channel, and in this video I am explaining exercise 11.3 question number 1 to 10 I will be discussing. Now before watching this video, please make sure that you have written the formula table I have explained in the last class. Either you remember, and for early study you can just write on the paper and can refer it while I will be using the formula. There should be no confusion. The first question that we have, x square by 36 plus y square by 16 equal to 0. The first thing that I will be doing in every question, comparing it with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. What is a square? 36. B square is 16. So we have a is 6 and b is 4. The first thing that I will be doing here will be checking which is greater. You can see a is greater than b. Right? After finding the value of a and b and identifying which is greater, I will be finding the value of equation of value of E, eccentricity. We have b square equal to a square 1 minus e square, formula for eccentricity relation. What is b square? 16. A square 36, 1 minus e square. So 16 by 36 equal to 1 minus e square, right? So e square equal to 1 minus 16 by 36, right? I can write 4, 9. So e square equal to 9 minus 4 is 5 by 9. E is under root 5 by 3, right? So this is what the eccentricity. Eccentricity A, B I am having, and if I know these three values, I can find anything related to the ellipse. The first thing that I need to find the coordinates of foci, as this is A greater than B, so whatever will be there, that will be on x-axis. As I have already discussed, foci is plus minus AE comma 0. What is A? A is 6 and E is root 5 by 3. So 3 2s are 6. I can say plus minus 2 root 5 comma 0. The second thing that I am having is vertices. Vertices formula is plus minus a comma 0. The question can be, sir, how you are writing it? Just watch the formula table. I am writing it from there, from the last video. You can say A is 6. So plus minus 6, 0 is vertices. The third thing is length of major and minor axis. Length of major axis is 2a, that is 2 into 6, 12 units. Length of minor axis that is 2b, that is 2 into 4, 2 into 4, this is 8 units. And the last thing is latus rectum. Latus rectum is length of latus rectum, that is asked. 2b square by a. 2 b square is what? 4 square 16, and a is what? 6, right? So I can say 2 3s are 6, 16 by 3 unit, and this is the answer. Now second question we have, I have written all the structure that I need to find. This is the second question. I will be comparing with the standard equation. What I will be having, a square. A square is 4 and b square is 25. So what is a? 2 and b is 5. And here a is less than b. So we have the relation, that is a square equal to b square 1 minus e square. Right? What is a square? A square is 4, b square is 25. 1 minus e square, so 25 I am taking to the denominator. 4 upon 25 equal to 1 minus e square. E square is equal to 1 minus 4 by 25, that is 21 by 25. e square. E is under root 21 by 5. Now foci as A is less than B, so everything will be on y-axis. Foci 0, plus minus BE. 0, plus minus, what is B? B is 5. I can calculate here B, right? 5 into root 21 by 5. So B is root 21. So I can directly write plus minus root 21. Vertices 0, plus minus B. B is 5. 0, plus minus 5. Length of major axis is here 2B, right? Because B is greater than A. 2 into 5, 10 units. Length of minor axis 2A. 2 into 2, 4 units. And the last is lattice rectum 2A square by B. 2A square is 4, B is 5, that is 8 by 5 units. Okay. Now, as the first 6 questions are same, it is. Somewhere we will be having A greater than B, somewhere we will be having A less than B. Now I have taken some different variety, means a little bit different, you can say. This question number 7, right? If you have any problem in 1 to 6, first 2 I have already solved, 3 to 6, then you can ask in the comment box. We have 36x square plus 4y square equal to 144. As you can see, this is not in the standard form, because we have the standard form x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. 1 is on the not on the right hand side. So the first thing that we are going to do, will divide the value that is on the right hand side both sides. I am dividing by 144 both sides. So the right hand side value will be 1, and this is x square upon 36 4 plus y square upon 4 से 36 is equal to 1. Now if I compare with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a square 4, b square 36. So a is 2 and b is 6. Here a is less than b. The third thing that I calculate after a and b, the value of eccentricity, right? What we have formula, a square we have equal to b square 1 minus e square. What is a square? 4, b square 36, 1 minus e square. So 4 by 36, 1 minus e square. So e square equal to 1 minus 4 by 36. E square equal to 36 minus 4, 34 by 36. Right? I can simplify this also. 4 8s are 4 9s are. E equal to under root 8 by 9. So 8 can be written as 2 root 2, 9 can be written as 3. The first thing is foci. Foci as A is less than B. Foci is 0, plus minus B. So B I am calculating, B is what? 6. B we have 6, E is 2 root 2 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 4 root 2. So I can write the foci as 0, plus minus 4 root 2. Vertices 0, plus minus B. 0, plus minus B is 6. Length of major axis as B is greater than A, so it is 2B. Minor axis 2A. So I will put the value of B, 2 into 6, 12 units. And 2 into 2, that is 4 units. Lattice rectum 2a square by b. 2a square is 4, b is 6. 2 3s are 6. I can say 4 by 3 units. Right? So I think this question is clear. Now I can say from 1 to 9 questions, I have solved 3 questions. If you are able to solve first 2 questions, you can easily solve 3, 4, 5 and 6. And after, if this question is clear, 8th and 9th can be easily solved. So I hope you like the video. In the next video, I will be starting with the 10th question, that is of different variety, we can say. All the questions from 1 to 9 are based on the standard question and comparing it. Right? Thank you so much for watching the video.